In a kite-shaped quadrilateral ABCD, two adjacent sides are 3 cm and 5 cm and the diagonal is 6 cm. Construct a square inside it. So the measurements are given: a diagonal of 6 cm, now sides are 3 cm and 5 cm. Now 3 cm from the opposite side. Now we will draw a 90-degree angle. Now cover this distance, this diagonal of kite, and draw an arc. This is a required vertex. Now draw a line parallel to this one. This is a required square.